In October 2021, the Hope House team visited the Good News Children's Home in Malawi again. Continuing towards the goal of sustainable food security for the community, the mission involved the installation of 2 new boreholes and drip feed irrigation for the fields surrounding the home. It was Hope House's honor to support Joseph in bringing his family's vision to reality.
My name is Joseph Zulu. I work for Good News Home, and I'm the director for this orphanage.
The work that you guys do is absolutely amazing.
My first vision is to support 200 kids, especially those that are orphaned and vulnerable.
Most amazing week laying irrigation lines for the new field and also just enlightening and enriching the children's lives.
We had super fun. It was really awesome to just be involved in the sun and out in the open.
Working alongside the local community in the fields, it was such an honour to work towards their common goal together, and just feeling them welcome us with open arms was so special.
I remember 10 years ago, I was envisioning that Good News one day be an oasis. Oasis for the children here as well as for the community at large. So now we can experience it. Good News is green. So much fantastic.
That's green.
We had such an amazing day today. I'm completely passionate about doing creative development with kids. We did some painting and allowing the kids to play with creativity and colour.
We're just teaching the kiddies how to make focaccia in an anthill that we dug out yesterday.
Okay, how was it digging out that anthill?
Yeah, it was pretty interesting, Sean. It was a lot harder than I remembered.
We've had an awesome day playing lots of games with the kids.
We've absolutely loved our week here with Good News Children's Home and we can't wait to come back.
You may have a vision, but not coming to reality. But you people, Andre and Yvette and the team, are the key people that are making me to realize the vision. I'm looking forward to working with you in the future. Thank you. Bye.
So warm, we feel like this is our second home, like you always say.
We are very happy, ladies and the team. And the gifts that you've given us, it's just so much. We are living on a promise. Now we have water, we have irrigation. We thank you so much. And anthill to us is something that we'll never forget. We have a baking industry inside the anthill. I thank you for your love. Your love is so great to us. Mama Kasoku Gulmine Win Sabano and
To
Zanga
security
Masoko Magadi
and to the gardeners.
Maswa Maribila Shukuja Alimi.
This place is a true reflection of you guys. We thank you for all their work, for accepting us as a team, for loving and feeding all the kids.
What you want I feel must
Yes, thank you.